This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Swing your right arm in a big clockwise circle as you kick your right foot up behind you, then bring your arm and foot back down. Bend both elbows to bring your hands near your hips, palms facing down, then move both hands in, then back out to either side as you slide your left foot forward into the right, bending your knee to bring it up, then back down. Step over to the right on your right foot and extend both arms down toward your right foot twice. Step in place on your left foot and extend both arms down toward it. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you move your arms down and to the right again. Step in place on your left foot as you extend your right, then left arm straight out toward the camera, palms facing up, before quickly bending your elbows to bring your fists back near your chest. Flap your arms twice as you bring your left knee up twice. Step in place on your right foot again, then move your left foot out to the left, bringing both palms up to either side of your face as you step in place on your right foot. Bring your left foot over to meet your right foot before stepping out to the right on your right foot and stepping in place on your left foot as you move your right hand out in front of you, then out to the right, palm facing up. Bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you bring your right fist down to your hip, then step in place on your left foot and bring your left fist down to your hip. Take 4 steps in place, starting on the right foot, as you bring your right hand over to the left and wave it 4 times while moving it clockwise. With both hands on your hips, step in place on your right foot, then step back into the left on your left foot, before stepping in place on your right foot again. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Bring your right foot back in and hop on it twice while turning to the right until you face the camera again. Bring your left foot down to the left, then your right foot down to the right. Bend your knees slightly, then straighten them as you swing your right arm in a big counterclockwise circle until it is straight out to the left. Bend and straighten your knees again as you pull your right hand back over to the right. Hop to bring both feet together and extend your right arm straight up, index finger extended. Repeat the first move from section 1. Step over to the right on your right foot and swing your arms out to either side, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you swing your right arm in front of you and your left arm behind you. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, ending so that you are facing slightly to the left. Bend your elbows and put your right arm over your left arm, left elbow angled up to the left as you bend your left knee. Bend your right knee as you switch the positions of your elbows, then repeat these 2 movements again. Face the camera again and put your left hand on your hip as you step over to the right on your right foot and bend your right elbow to bring your hand up near your shoulder, thumb and pinky extended and palm facing out. Shake your hips and your right hand to the left and right 4 times. Begin moving your right hand in a counterclockwise circle as you hop to bring your right foot back in and swing your left leg out to the left. As your hand moves up to the right, hop again to bring your left foot in and swing your right foot out to the right. Bring your right foot back down as you move your right hand down toward your head, then back up, then back down as you shake your hips to the left twice. Hop to bring both feet together and move your right fist near the side of your head. Hop on your left foot as you kick back to the right with your right foot and tilt your head to the left, then bring your right foot down. Repeat this move on the opposite side, but keep your arms in position. After bringing your left foot down, bring your right foot forward a bit and tilt your head to the left again. Keeping your heel down, tap the toes of your right foot over to the right, then left, as you tilt your head in the same direction. Step over to the right on your right foot and swing your arms out to either side again, then bring your left foot over to meet it as you swing your arms inward as before. Step over to the left on your left foot and swing your arms out to either side, then tap your right foot down next to your left foot before taking 3 steps around to the right, starting on the right foot until you are facing the camera again. Put your left hand on your hip as you bend your knees to the left and extend your right arm out to the left, palm facing up, then move your right arm over until it is straight out to the right and look in the same direction. Turn to face slightly to the right by bending your right knee as you turn your right hand so that your palm faces down. Shake your hand as you pull it back in near your shoulder, keeping your elbow pointing out. Bring your right foot up, then back down as you bring both arms and your left foot up, then bring your left foot down next to your right foot as you bring both hands to your chest and look down. Look back up at the camera as you lift both arms up before slowly lowering them to your sides, palms facing up.